Yet another addition from Go Rhino that is perfect for any vehicle looking to take it up a notch is going to be the Vertec V3 side steps. Again, offered from Go Rhino, they stay true to form with this particular running board. At the very front, I've got to say, I do like the addition of kind of an almost composite system where you have a protective cap at the front, again at the back, for an ensured finish for years and years to come. This board is made out of aluminum, so super lightweight, but very heavy duty. And I also like that with the powder coat finish, you are going to get a slight texture to it. So really, really stellar system there. Again, 5 inches of stepping surface, so you are most assured not to be slipping out of your truck, whether it's in the snow, wet, whatever. This is going to be a perfect addition. Also with the step pad, there's tons and tons of grooves on there for plenty of additional traction as well. Kits are going to come just like everything with Go Rhino, perfect for your make, model, and year. Everything that you've got on your vehicle as far as holes, pre-drilled holes, or existing bolts, that is how this guy is going to go on. Perfect, sweet, and simple. 5-year, industry-leading 5-year warranty with these guys. And just like us here in Jamestown, North Dakota, Go Rhino out of Brea, California, we have a ton more to offer from Go Rhino. Check this out, and an absolute innumerable amount of other steps to join us at RHRSwag.com. Out of Brea, California, which is in the United States.